round the decimal 0.375 to the nearest hundred. So look, this is 10th column, this is hundredths column, and this is thousands column. So we need to round to nearest hundred, that is this up to this column. So this 7 is called rounding digit. Okay, that is rounding digit 7 is in hundredths column. The digit next to this rounding digit is called test digit. Here test digit is in thousands column. Here test digit is 5. If the test digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 with the rounding digit. So add 1 with the rounding digit 7. So we are getting here 0.37 plus 1 8. Okay, and we drop the test digit and the digit after test digit. So drop the 5, add 1 with the 7 round digit, we are getting this 0.38. So 0.375 is rounded to the nearest hundredth is is this. This is 10th column, this is hundredth column.